Fourth quarter underway. Ilagan, Isabela, and Pasay here. 1 point separating the two teams. Quarter scoring, Ilagan. Better third quarter. Rivero with a drive and the bucket.
Good execution by Prince Rivero. He saw the open lane, he attacked it.
I'm sure Brother Richie is right there happy sa nangyari na yon.
Richie Rivero move yan ah.
Kaya nga,
Parang,
hopefully he's okay.
Yeah, he's okay.
Ito si Richie, kita ko kanina eh. Ayun, nakakap.
Si ano rin, shoutout sa daddy nila, si
Coach
Paolo.
Coach
Nandyan
Pao,
din. Oo,
andyan,
nandyan din.
Ayun. Happy. Si Richie. Nash. Oh, that's a tough shot. Short. Ends up with Christian Pajarito. Pajarito posting up Filebrico. Trying to pull the chair from Pajarito.
Yeah,
Pero,
pero a lot of one-on-one moves now by the Pasay Voyagers. Kanina, tinira lang ni Nash. Nawawala na yung mga ball movements nila.
Mina from way downtown. Filebrico with a rebound. Gumaru from the corner. No. Rivero with a rebound. Prince inside. No call. Thought he was fouled there. Atake si Nash. Labas. Corner three. It's good. Nico Quiñal again. That's his second three of the night. Balik sa Pasay ang lamang.
Good execution by the Pasay Voyagers. Good pass by Nash Enriquez.
Filebrico, Mina. Rivero, jumper, short. Pajarito goes to work early and fouled by Prince Rivero.
Laki ng improvement ni Pajarito eh. Nakikita ko yung saw him from before up to now. Ang laki na nang ini-improve niya. Although magaling naman talaga si Christian Pajarito.
Oh, he was always a talented player out of college, but yung ano dun eh, yung question mark dun is that
Maturity.
maturity.
Yes.
Can he stay consistent? Can he stay disciplined?
Exactly.
And will he show up? Yun talaga yung question mark sa kanya eh.
Really show up. Really.
Because he's got all the tools to be a really great player. And I think malaking bagay na nakakuha siya ng award last season. Kasi parang he's just picked up from where he left off from last season. And yung kasi lagi may naririnig kang kwento. And wala akong narinig na kwento about Christian Pajarito this in the off-season. Which is a good thing.
Yeah, nagulat nga ako eh. Siguro nag-mature na yung bata.
60-57. Gumaru. They go to Arth. Against Pajarito. The spin by Art. No good.
Good boxing out by Munmun de la Cruz.
Ayaw talaga. Art de la Cruz. He has struggled sa laro natin. Enriquez. No. Gabayni puts it in off the feed by Art de la Cruz. Yun naman yung maganda kay Art kasi pag hindi umubra yung kompensa niya, kaya niyang
Mag-create para sa mga teammates niya.
1 point game. Nash. Way kay Pajarito. Will launch the three. Off the mark this time.
Yeah, starting to miss now. Kailangan lagay niya ulit dun sa sa loob yung tira niya.
Great pass galing kay Allen Mina. Dondon Gumaru puts it in for two. Cowboys back in front. Allen Mina making things happen for Ilagan here. And look at the concentration and the focus on the
That shot, yes.
on the shot galing kay Dondon Gumaru. Sinigurado niya na hindi siya magmintis.
Mimintis.
Time out muna tayo. Coach Duro Valenzona, Rudy Distrito, our head of security, and Commissioner Emer Oreta. A legendary coach,
Yes.
legendary
Oo.
players, and legendary fans. Isa lamang dito ng Ilagan Isabela. It's a tight one dito sa Paco Arena. Higpit ng depensa dito ng Cowboys. Enriquez against Alan Mina.
Down to 5 seconds, yes.
Alan Mina with a steal. Gumaru. Takbo ni Dondon palabas eh.
Oo.
Gabayni inside. It's
Hinahanap niya talaga yung tira niya sa labas eh. Makikita mo pagtakbo niya, lumalabas kaagad siya.
buti hindi nagalit doon sa bench. Coach, alam ko pag ikaw yun, medyo hindi ka matutuwa.
Kanina nga sabi sa akin, Coach, huwag ka magmumura ha.
Babalik kami, 61-60. I'd like to thank ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Boss Jair Diaz. Siyempre kasama niya ang kanilang bunsong kapatid. Siyempre, I give a quick shout out kay Mayor J. Diaz of Ilagan. Board member EJ Diaz. Gabayni inside.
Another good play.
Out of the timeout.
Oo, out of a timeout. Ganda nung tinawag ni Coach Louie Gonzalez. 11 points for Joseph Gabayni.
Gonzalez has played really well here in the second half. Pero palpal lang inabot niya kay Dondon Gumaru.
Yan na naman, bumabalik na naman yung Pasay playing one-on-one. Maganda dito kay Gumaru, not only, even when he was playing college, saka itong not only his offense, but also defense.
Oo.
Maasahan mo yan si Gumaru.
Well, he's one of those players that feel like he can only stay in the game because of his defense.
Yes.
And then, ngayon, kinailangan niya ng umupensa.
Pensa, oo.
So, it's nice to have that foundation, but also right now, Dondon Gumaru, maganda na rin yung kumpiyansa dito ni Dondon, yung kanyang pinapakita.
Maganda yung binibigay na kumpiyansa sa kanila ni Coach Louie. Importante yan sa player yung kumpiyansa na binibigay ng coaches.
Nash. Gonzalez. Hilario back to Gonzalez. Hilario is denied by Gabayni.
Good block by Gabayni. Good defensive stop by the Quezon Huskers.
Hindi, Ilagan.
By Quezon Huskers. By the Ilagan Cowboys. Sorry.
Coach, have you seen Joseph disengaged? I haven't seen him disengaged for a while now.
Second block.
Kaya
Speaking
nga,
of, oh, di ba?
Because, you've handled him and I'm pretty sure nasundan mo yung career niya. Nag-Quezon siya and did not play a lot there. Pero nakikita mo ngayon, iba yung galaw niya ngayon eh.
Oh, tama. Oh, ano siya eh. Inspired basketball ang binibigay sa kanya. Ang binibigay ni Joseph Gabayni ngayon.
Oh,
Look
yan,
at that! Look at that! Speaking of Joseph Gabayni,
Meron na 13 puntos at 4 na rebounds. Ito si Joseph Gabayni. Gonzales. Ilagan ahead by 5. Nabitawan ni Gonzales. De La Cruz picks it up. And a layup.
favorite shot by Munmon de la Cruz. The one-hander layup. Lefty.
Off leg.
Oh, off leg eh.
A little too casual there. Oh!
Oh!
JL!
Hinabol eh.
My
Very
goodness!
Very inspired basketball. Yung
Akala ko
pinapakita,
preseason to.
yung pinapakita ng ano.
Parang playoffs. Playoffs chase down
Oo
block
nga
pa. Look at that.
Linis oh. Inspired basketball pinapakita ng Isabela Cowboys. And look at Coach Glenn Capasio, who was clapping his hands. Talagang, inspired sila doon eh.
Ibang klase. JL De Los Santos. Yeah, one guy I think who can dominate the game on the defensive end. Gonzales shoots the 3. Masyado malakas. De Los Santos with a rebound. Allen Mina has it. Art back to Allen. Don. Allen again. Will launch the 3. Malakas. Enriquez.
Malakas din
Malakas
ang
din ang
pasa.
pasa.
Matagal pa eh, 4:22. They have to settle down. Hindi nila kailangan magbadali. They don't have to, just run their plays.
Felebrico returns for Allen Mina. De Los Santos. Inside Art. J-Boy. Jumper. No good. That's a good shot though.
Yeah, that's a good shot. That was a good, coming off a good play.
Hilario will drive against J-Boy. Try to use his heft. Pangalawa ng foul na ni J-Boy Solis. Only the first team foul for Ilagan.
Nakikita natin na tinitignan pa ni Coach Louie kung sino talaga yung yung combination niya dito sa ball game na to eh.
Enriquez gets it to Gonzales for 3.
Wow,
We're
good pass
tied.
by Nash Enriquez.
Solis blocked by Martel. De La Cruz just can't get anything going here. Art. Pupunta siya sa linya for 2 free throws. Balik sa Ilagan ng Kalamangan dito. 3:28 remaining.
Bilis ng game. Yung pace nilang dalawa, no?
Oo. Tama ka dyan, Coach. 2 for 2 for Art.
Nakakapanibago kasi I've been watching the games of Coach Marlon Martin. More of the slow-paced game siya eh. Ngayon, mabilis pa din yung team niya eh.
Well, really depends on the personnel. No, Gonzalez and Nash Enriquez are very up-tempo type of guards talaga.
Guards, yes.
Pajarito spins. Looking for a way through. J-Boy Solis comes up with a stop for Ilagan.
Yeah, that was a good move by Pajarito. Hindi lang pumasok yung tira niya talaga.
Oh, libre.
Nice pass!
J-Boy. Niluwa. Monmon de la Cruz with the rebound. Nash. From downtown, it's good.
I have that feeling na titira ni Nash talaga.
So 1-point lead for Pasay. JL. Down low to Art. Monmon is whistled for the foul. De Los Santos trying to go under.
He really loves those shots, Nash Enriquez. Yung malayo sa 3 points, bigla siyang pull up. Favorite shot ni Nash yan.
Elebrico. Gabayni is back on the floor. De La Cruz. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Art. Labas kay JL. De Los Santos. Jumper. Off the mark. Pasay with a stop. The foul on JL De Los Santos. Pasay up by 1. Nash against JL De Los Santos. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Enriquez will launch it. Masyado malakas. Filebrico with the rebound. Final 2 minutes. DJ to Dondon. Gabayni has it. Art. As Pajarito, the turnaround, no. Gabayni fighting for it. Nantapik napunta kay Nash Enriquez. A big stop for Pasay.
Yeah, good stop by Pasay. Very crucial itong possession natin sa kanila ngayon.
They want the ball in the hands of Pajarito, and the foul is whistled on Art De La Cruz.
Yeah, they saw the mismatch there. Pero kaya depensahan ni Art yun. Kaya lang napunta siya dun sa alanganin na posisyon.
Fourth team foul on the Cowboys.
Both teams are now in the penalty.
Oh, babalik si Gonzalez dito. Gonzalez will try to attack, blocked by Gomaru. That's the second block of Dondon Gomaru. 12 seconds sa shot clock dito ng Voyagers. Enriquez for 3. Yes!
Another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
71-67. JL gambled on the steal. And Nash Enriquez lines up the 3 and knocks it down.
Ano niya talaga talagang favorite shot niya, yung mga ganitong situations. Nash will take the shot.
Timeout Cowboys. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining in the ball game. They're down by 4.
pa rin po kayo ng MPBL Preseason Invitational. Welcome to reality as Steve Nash Enriquez would love to enter this new chapter for him. Hanggang ngayon naninibago pa nga rin daw siya at di makapaniwala, lalo na at halos 9 years din siyang nasa NU. In this new journey, he will be carrying two things from Coach Jeff Napa: tapang at disiplina na kahit saan man siya mapunta, dadalhin niya mula sa nanggaling sa kanyang ikalawang tatay. Balik sa inyo.
Nandito rin yung isa pang tatay ni Nash Enriquez. Coach Vic siya.
Kuya.
Kuya ba?
Hindi, hindi.
Coach, shout out Coach Jeff Napa.
Yes, Coach Jeff, good evening.
Kailan kaya tayo, Coach? Baka naman, Coach. Down by 4 ang Ilagan. They bring back Alan Mina. De Los Santos against Gortiza here. Art, babakay gabay ni Martel with a steal.
Yeah, basang-basa eh.
Enriquez able to bring the ball down against JL De Los Santos. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Nash, yeah, again! Take over mode.
Yes.
Nash Enriquez here. De Los Santos trying to answer, no good.
I was telling you a while ago, basta naumpisahan na ni Nash yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
And Nash Enriquez has caught fire here in the final minutes. And Pasay is up by 7.
It's a foul by JL De Los Santos.
He's done it against JL De Los Santos na
Tsaka malaki sa kanya.
kilalang
Good defender, yes.
defender.
Crucial lang, tatlong sunod yun eh.
Coach Willie there.
Enjoying the action. Niisip niya, ganyan din ako dati.
Nash, dalawang minutes, but he gets the offensive rebound. Here's Enriquez.
Yeah, I think Isabela needs to foul.
What a show of force from Nash Enriquez. JL De Los Santos will lay this in. And that will do it. The Pasay Voyagers score a 76-69 win over the Ilagan Isabela Cowboys. Both teams coming in with a lot of new faces in their lineup. But the young guns of Pasay showing up. Particularly this guy. Ito si Nash Enriquez. He picked the right time to take over. And what a spectacular show.
Ano na eh, he really is like that even in games. Pag nag-umpisa na siya, once he starts making his shots, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
And the Voyagers with a 76-69 win over the Cowboys here at the Paco Arena. And we're just waiting for our best player interview right here. Ang bigat ng mga binitawan ni Nash Enriquez. Ang maganda lang dito, if you're Ilagan, at least medyo nakita mo na kung ano ang mga kombinasyon para sa'yo moving forward. Sa Pasay naman, things are looking good.
Yes. Tsaka ano lang yun, for Coach Louie Gonzalez, he just trying to get the feel of the game first.
Yeah. Let's go to Daphne.
Thanks a lot to Delph and Coach Vic. Steve Nash Enriquez is our best player of the game. Steve Nash, congratulations on this win. Dikitan lang tayo and you were literally having a difficult time o nagsastruggle ka in the first 3 quarters. Pero pagdating ng clutch moments, 4th quarter, bigla ka nagpairal ng maraming 3-pointers. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Ano lang po, ang sobrang ano ko kasi grateful ko na mayroon akong ganitong coaching staff sila Coach Marlon na kumbaga binibigyan kaming kumpiyansa na laruin kung ano yung judgment namin sa loob ng court. So sa first 3 quarters, yun lang, kumbaga, point guard naman ako eh. Diba? Para sa akin, hindi naman ako nagsa-struggle kasi, kumbaga, yung mga pasa ko, lang nasi-shoot yung mga field goals ko. Pero, yun lang, swerte lang ako. Swerte ako, thank God, na pumapasok yung tira ko sa fourth quarter. And yun nga, hindi naman dahil sa akin yun eh. Dahil kay Lord yun. Kasi binigyan niya akong lakas na, yun nga, ma-shoot ko yung mga tira ko.
Nash, sabi mo sa akin, ito na yung reality mo, experience mo dito sa ating preseason.
Kumbaga, yun nga, kagabi pa lang, kumbaga, di pa rin ako makapaniwala na, kumbaga, pinapangarap ko lang to dati. Hindi ko akalain na makapaglaro akong pro dito sa Manila. And yun nga, by the grace of the Lord, nandito ako ngayon, kumbaga, nasi-share ko yung talent ko sa ibang tao. At hindi lang dito sa Manila, kundi sa buong Pilipinas na. And, yun, thank God na nanalo kami ngayon and because of him, nakuha namin yung panalo and props sa mga coaches namin tsaka mga kakampi ko.
And now, Steve Nash, you are living your dream. Baka meron kang gustong pasalamatan or batiin ngayon?
Gusto ko lang pasalamatan yung first, syempre si Lord. Syempre sa family ko, kay nanay ko, sa tatay ko, sa kapatid ko, si Wade. Na nandito nanonood, sa girlfriend ko, kay Chloe. And syempre sa buong mga tropa ko sa Cebu. At syempre sa NU, umaga,